Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a review on Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark and Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl. Hi guys, so I'm doing Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark and Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl. Here's Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. Here's the front, here's the spine, and here's the back here. And here's a disc. And the last one is Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl. Here's the front, here's the spine, and here's the back here. Here's the inside artwork. And here's a disc. And here's a disc. Thanks for watching.